Hey, sweet tooths, want to grab a Crumbl cookie promo code for free? Follow along and I'll show you how. Visit easecoupon.co/Crumbl or scan the QR code on the screen to get started. First, enter your email address so the promo code can be sent directly to you. I'm entering mine now. It's really straightforward. Next, select your device, iOS or Android. Since I'm using Android, I'll select that and hit Continue. The system will generate your promo code. To confirm you're not a bot but a real person, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are free, safe, and published by trusted developers with millions of users. Once downloaded, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to register or reach a specific level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This step is necessary to verify your identity. Let me fast forward through this part with some background music as I finish up. Done. Let's check my email. And there it is, my Crumbl cookie promo code. Time to grab some delicious cookies at a discount. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Enjoy your treat and happy snacking.